As an orthopedic surgeon, a very common problem that we face on everyday basis is to monitor the follow-up of physiotherapy of our patients. Many patients come to us from different cities, and when they go back to their respective cities and homes, it is very difficult to monitor the progress of physiotherapy. Now, this Physio app is a very new app which will help us in this matter. So this is a subscription based app which will help us to monitor the patient's physiotherapy completely, and it is a very flexible model. So what this app does is it regularizes the patient's follow-up of physiotherapy into one place, and what it does is you can actually assess and take feedback of the physiotherapy of patients on a very regular basis. So once you are subscribed to the app, you can start recruiting your patients who can be a pre-op patient or a post-op patients, and different patients can be recruited onto that. And there are some inbuilt protocols into the app itself, and if you wish, you can develop your own protocols to actually fit that particular patient. And also you can put your protocols into different phases like phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, like that. So different protocols, different phases, you can adjust them accordingly. The other very amazing thing this app gives us, it has a motion tracking technology. So what patient can do is patient can put that app, their phone in front of them, and they can actually do the exercise in front of the camera, and the camera will assess whether the patient is doing physiotherapy appropriately or not, and it will also send us the feedback to us as a surgeon whether the exercise has been done as per the proper protocols or not. So this app will be a bridge between the patient, physiotherapist, and the surgeon, and the neglect or the chance that your patient is not doing a perfect physiotherapy is actually minimized, and you will save on to your patients who come to you with stiff knee and stiff shoulder after the surgery. The models which we have is, at present we have a shoulder module, we have a knee module, we have a back module, we have a hip module, we have an ankle module. So these modules are inbuilt, and in this modules also you have a different modules. Like if you talk about the knee, you have a module in which you take a post ACL protocol, post meniscus repair protocol, post knee replacement protocol, and then you have modules of pre-op patients like a ligament injury patient or a osteoarthritis patient. If you talk about shoulder, we have a module for a frozen shoulder, and then we have a module in which you can deal with post rotator cuff scenario, post labral repair scenario, post lethargic scenario. So different modules are there. A very interesting feature is this app, you can synchronize it with your team. So if supposedly I am an operating surgeon, and if there are 5 members in my team, so these team members can also get the access to the app, and they can actually synchronize the patients perfectly and see and assess whether the physiotherapy has been doing, they are doing on a proper basis or not. So I do hope, and I am a very firm believer of this app, that this will minimize the problems of physiotherapy that is because of the communication gap between the doctors and the patients. And this app has a very nice future, and I will request all of you to definitely download this app and contact Mr. Siddharth on the number given below for subscribing this app. I am sure that this app will be a value addition to your practice. Thank you.